Welcome back to Las Vegas. We are at the Harrah, 8th floor. This is the Valley Tower room. It's actually our first time staying here. Very clean, very nice floors. Nice clean bathroom, huge mirror with good lighting. Got your towels. There is a hair dryer down here as well. Really nice shower, no tub. It is a full shower, very spacious. We notice a lot of hotels are doing this now. So they actually have the conditioner, shampoo and body wash as dispensers, which we like. That's actually pretty cool. It's our first time having a hotel that actually has that. Nice shower head. You got this barn door here like most places do nowadays. Closes the bathroom and shows and opens the closet. So you got some decent closet space. You can fit luggage here. And as you turn this way, you got a nice big mirror. Opens up. This is 2 queen beds. Decent size. Is there an outlet on this side? No, that one is not an outlet. This is pretty cool. I know Crystal would like this. So you have a vanity here, vanity style, with a nice bright mirror for doing your hair, doing your makeup. There is a safe. There is no mini fridge, no coffee maker. We just have these 3 drawers as space. You got some ample room here. You got the desk, so you can store all your stuff on top of this right here. Nice TV. I like this little seating area. Probably what we're gonna do is flip the chairs around so you can enjoy the view. So this is the view, again, 8th floor, Valley room. I know it's a little hard to see. We're actually facing the strip. So we're right across the Mirage. On our right is the Venetian. On our left is the Link. Lots to do here. It's almost considered center strip. I would still consider it a little bit off center strip. If the volcano was running, we'd be able to see it. That's the Mirage volcano is right there. So we're actually facing into the valley, into Las Vegas Boulevard. Overall, not a bad room. We did get it for Labor Day weekend, so it was a little bit on the pricier side for 3 nights. Total came out to about $500. But if you're gonna split it amongst your friends, decent room, lots to do here.